Welcome to Web Whiz. This is the 5th blogging tutorial. In the first tutorial, I stated that you would be able to change your template or appearance of your blog later if you didn't like the basic ones available. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use a template designer for just that purpose. Go to the blog we've created. Yours should look slightly different than mine depending on what template you chose, what gadgets you added, and what posts you have placed. However, it should be essentially the same components as this blog. To change your template, click Design if you're signed in with your account. And next to Page Elements and Edit HTML, click Template Designer. There are 5 tabs here with which to change your template settings. Templates, Background, Adjust Widths, Layout, and Advanced. Templates will allow you to change the basic formatting of your blog. Templates are packages which allow you to have your blog appearance look different without having to do it from scratch, without having to edit all the HTML code. Templates have all the code for you. Right now, you may be using any one of these that was available upon the creation of your blog. I'm using Simple and this blue version here. We can see that there are collections of templates: Simple, Picture Window, Awesome Incorporated, Watermark, Ethereal, and Travel. Also, by clicking on the collection, you can see the several different variations. For instance, under Simple, there's this simple blue. There's this simple orangish version, a black version, a red version, a bookish shelvish type version, a strange parchment-like version, and another simple black and white version. Doesn't look very nice. I'm going to use this bookshelves version because I think that bookshelves look very nice for a blog, even though I'm not going to use this blog. However, you can choose any collection in any sub template that you want. By clicking on the Backgrounds tab, we can change the color scheme of the background of your blog. Now, since I'm using a template which has a picture in the background, you can't change the color of that picture. However, what we can change in this particular template is this bar where the title is. By clicking on these different colors, I am able to put down a host of different colors for the title bar. If you are using a different template, you may be able to change the actual entire color scheme of your blog. By clicking on Adjust Widths, you can change where, how big certain features of your blog are going to be. The right sidebar, you can make it larger or smaller, how big the gadget sidebar is going to be. You can even change the entire blog with this slider, making it smaller or larger. By clicking on Layout, we can change where the sidebars and footers are going to end up on your blog. For instance, you can have no sidebar. We don't even see the gadgets here. We can have it on the right, as we have been using. You can make it so that there are several rows. You can make it so that the gadgets will appear on both sides of the blog. Also change where the footer gadgets will be. I like it just on the right. By clicking on the Advanced section, we can change the text of the blog. For instance, we can change the font. Here we see that it is in an impact font. We can change the color. We can change whether it's bold and how big the font is. That looks a little too big. I'll make it smaller. And Times New Roman. Let's choose black. So that is how to use the template designer in Google Blogger. You can choose a basic template so that you don't have to do all the code, and then I encourage you to use the other tabs to make your blog unique and your blog will look more professional and will look more personalized. Thank you for watching this Web Whiz tutorial.